What's going on, guys? Cameron here with the Lawn Care Life in Mowssouri, and today we're going to be cutting about 10 acres. Going to show you guys real quick the property and we'll get started. Check it out, a lot to mow. So Zach is already over there on the FERRIS Z3X, already mowing, so he's already ahead of me. I got to get out here. I'm going to be cutting all of this. He's gonna be cutting all the back, so let's get to it. Alright guys, there we go. 10 acres knocked out in only a couple of hours. Didn't take very long at all. Had two Z3X going, so we was able to move through it pretty quickly. Got a hurricane moving through. We was hoping we'd be able to get out here and get this mowed before the hurricane got here. Made its way up to Mowssouri. It's Louisiana, Texas right now. It's kind of making its way up north, and we're gonna be like right in the middle of the eye by the time it gets to Mowssouri, so we're probably going to get a whole lot of rain. But the good news is we got this knocked out. Let's head around to the other side of the property and check it out. So back here at the house, we got all the 10 acres mowed, and you can't see it, but right now the rain's starting to come down because we got the hurricane moving through. So it split Texas, Louisiana. It's making its way up through Arkansas right now, and it's just now getting into Mowssouri. So yeah, it's starting to get a little wet out here. No mowing is going to be going on tomorrow, so wanted to make sure to get that 10 acres done, because if we would have got all that rain and all that grass started growing super thick and heavy, that 10 acres would have been a mess to take care of, to get out there and mow, and it's a really big property, so we wanted to make sure we knocked that out first. So anyways, the hurricane's here. It's starting to come down, starting to rain. We'll see, you know, how much rain we get today and into tomorrow, but anyways, thankful that we were able to get that lawn mowed, and we're just gonna kick back, relax, watch it rain, and watch that grass turn green tomorrow. So anyways, I'm Cameron with the Lawn Care Life of Mowssouri. I hope you guys are staying safe. Is it dry where you're at? Is it wet? Let me know, comment below. But thanks again for watching, guys. I'm out. I hope you guys have a good day, and as always, hey, God provides. All right, here it is the next morning. The hurricane has made its way to Mowssouri. Look at this. Got a few limbs down. Got this really big limb down. It's one of the reasons why I don't park the pickup anywhere in this area right here, because all we have is trees out here, and there's always limbs coming down. Check this out. Looks like this little fork of this tree right here snapped about halfway up. My wife's been telling me a while. She thought that tree looked pretty rough, and guess what? She was right. If the box truck would have been sitting here, if the box truck or the pickup or anything, you know, if we've been walking around out here last night during all that wind, it would not have been good. You know, that right there would really tear a truck up, and especially that box truck. It has a really light roof in the box. It's translucent. You can see, you know, light can come through it. So it's really thin, really light, and any limb, especially that one, would have just destroyed it. So very thankful that I didn't have the box truck parked over here. I mean, this is pretty big around, about the size of your hand. So that would have done a lot of damage. So more to clean up here. Always something to clean up after a storm, after some rain. Like I said, just snapped about halfway up this tree, and it's laying right there now. Missed the dump trailer. That's good news. But anyways, guys, we've already got like 2.5 inches of rain overnight. It's supposed to rain until about noon today, I think. Then it's gonna kind of push out of here, but we're getting a lot of rain, and I'm very thankful we were able to get those 10 acres mowed, because if not, no telling when we would have been able to get out there. But anyways, I'm out, guys.